Okay, are we spotting? There's more.
Yes.
You're good. Like that?
Yep. Heel anywhere. Heel anywhere.
I know, I gotta get. We climbed this morning and I'm gassed, and I'm like, it looks like fun. And there's a hat.
There's a right hand right above you. Right above you.
It's good. It's pretty good.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the one.
I just got off a roof.
Big pinch.
Get high on it.
Come on.
Yeah.
Next holds jug.
I know. Straight up.
Next holds jug.
One saw it. No one saw it.
Check the pace.
Really
Check
good.
the pace.
Toe down. Don't heel. Toe down. Toe down. Toe down. Okay, heel that. He's just better.
On the corner. It's like hold my beer. Left.
You got it. Stay on that toes.
Nice. He dabbed on. Squamish is beautiful.